playing with this thing. Even though we'll be working on the Peterbilt later today, this is a little bit of...
What are you doing?
Trying to start the video.
Oh.
I'm trying to get something going.
Oh, okay.
So this is a little bit kind of inside on our workday because it's getting dark super early. So I figured I'd get started on something while I'm running errands, but this is a little inside of the projects we're working on. The shop gets filthy throughout the day. Got this thing sort of running. We got to do the valve lash on it. It's missing on some cylinders. But what I wanted to do is get one of the airlines pulled off on the Peterbilt, so when I have to go run errands, I can drop it off in town and have them make me a new airline so we can build proper air pressure or find another air leak. So this line, which runs back to our rear pot valve, is leaking really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this pulled off. But there is a possibility that we're not going to be using this chassis, which means we will have all new airlines, new brakes, new axles. But for right now, this leak is too bad to ignore. But yes, we have the opportunity to potentially buy a 2019 579, I think, chassis. That is a parts truck. We would do a full chassis swap, which is what we typically do, but just on a much larger scale. Some of the benefits from that is it's on a low leaf suspension setup, which allows for a much smoother ride, which is obviously a plus because these 359s kind of ride like tractors. The other benefit is this is a 1975 truck, so which means they were never equipped with front brakes. So going from no front brakes and drums in the rear to disc brakes the whole way around is kind of a nice plus. And another benefit is the cab and the coffin box would go on air as well. So low leaf, air, disc brakes all the way around, brand new, relatively brand new airlines, new fuel tanks, new fuel lines. It seems like a no-brainer, but money. Let's go get this repaired. Got our new airline made. Get this guy tossed on, and then we'll see if it builds any air pressure a little bit better than what it was, because it wasn't doing too good. I got this long enough. I had to take off 3 inches. Oh, I think we're perfect. I had to take off 3 inches because it was all coiled up inside the frame and looked pretty janky. So that's the bottom now. I'm fully expecting to fix this air leak and 2 more pop up. All right, let's fire it up and see if we can build some pressure. already stripped off the door cards. Interior's looking a little bit better. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So, anyways, she's loping away. Before we can build up, if it's sitting here, it'll build up to about 120. It might go a little bit past, and it'll start to bleed off. And as soon as you start driving it, or you press that brake pedal, you're hanging out about 70 psi, maybe 90, drop down to 60, and then parking brake, pop back out. So that's what we want to see if we've improved. So now that we got a little bit of air pressure, I'm gonna go check for some leaks. Looks like that hose is good. However, found a little leak right here. Seems to just be coming from the fitting. So I'm gonna kill the truck and we'll pull this off and tighten that one up. All right, that should do it. There we go. All right. Let's fire up again. So I added the watermelons on the mirrors and our new bullet lights and that new visor. Woo! And then I added these. Those need to be wired in. And I took the LEDs off the headlights, or the front LEDs, and then we need to wire in the actual headlights. But well, I can hear air leaking out of somewhere. All right, so I figured before we put any more lights on this truck, we should probably take this air cleaner apart and see what's going on inside. I'm assuming we pull this clamp off and drop everything down the bottom. So I'm gonna spray some little WD-40 on there. We need a flathead or a little pry bar. Not that one. I bet you this thing is just clean.
No, I bet you a raccoon comes falling out.
I hope not. Ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. What? Nothing?
Well, there's the filter.
Oh.
There. Look at that, dude.
It's so vibrant.
I don't think that word means what you think it means. You've ever priced out those dual air cleaners? Oh. Done. Well, now what? Old Mud Custom's gonna give us a show. Guys, we're going in to the coffin sleeper. No one's been in the back, but I figured when you get back there, we gotta clean it out. So, got some disinfectant here, special brand. Got the proper safety equipment. So, hey, let's go ahead and get back on in there. Oh! Tyson, what the heck? Tyson, get out! Hey!
Get out!
Get out!
Get
dude.
out! I'm trying to sleep!
I-
I don't have a house. Where do you expect me to sleep?
Get out!
You get out! This is my house.
Oh. There's a lot of stuff in here.
It's in back there.
Dude, this is. I'm gonna have to take this off. You guys aren't gonna be able to hear me. I'm gonna catch tetanus. No overnight parking totally enforced.
What?
Trash.
Anything good back?
A little watermelon.
Oh.
A little green.
Okay.
This is a upper radiator hose on a Dodge or something, I think.
Dude, easy.
Duct tape.
That's disgusting.
Vanilla Roma. Is that still a fragrance?
Don't.
Vanilla.
Don't. No, don't. Sniff.
2001 Dodge 3500 sway bar.
How do you
With-
know it's a 2000?
Precision sway bar inlays.
Thank you. I need this.
How do you know what it is?
Project due.
Tyson!
What?
Here's this! Yeah, dude.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, dude, that's gas.
Don't do it.
That one, we're keeping that one for sure. A fast fuel systems banner? What?
What?
If you guys have dirty, contaminated fuel, hit up Fast Fuel Systems for all of your fuel system needs.
The product placement's crazy. This is back there.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no. Fine.
What is it? Ew, what is that?
There's some mud dauber nest out there. Oh. Dude, this is nasty.
Oh my gosh. No. Whoa. Okay.
Right on. A little trucking down under. This is the third issue right here.
Dude, look at that thing.
Is that me? This is quite the luxurious place here. We got some 6x9s that have been taken over by some mud dauber nests. Oh, someone's knocking.
No.
Yeah, but this is, I mean, look at the mud dauber's nest down in there. I really need to drag this mattress out. This thing is filthy.
Okay, let's pull that thing out.
You want to pull it out right now?
Yeah, fit it through the hole.
All right.
Dude, come on. Oh, bro, that is.
Dude. Oh, dude, there's a bug.
Don't let it bite you.
Oh.
Get him in there. Come on.
Much more room up in there.
It's not rotted out.
Let's see. Give me some light. Oh! No way. Dude. Dude, it's some Brown Bros merch.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
Look, we got a hoodie right here. Dude, if you guys want to go pick yourself some Brown Bros merch, click the link in the bio, get yourself a sweet hat, hoodie. What do we got here? Oh,
Is that embroidered?
embroidered Brown Bros Magellan sportswear right here. Look at this. Little breather in the back for those back sweat boys out there. Is this a good angle?
Yeah, you look good, yeah.
Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. Actually, wait, No, we're gonna.